Hey everyone, so the given question is from the topic of capacitance from electrostatics. Okay, it's from JEE Advanced 2022 paper 1. The question goes like this: a medium having dielectric constant K greater than 1 fills the space between the plates of parallel plate capacitor. The plates have large area and the distance between them is d. The capacitor is connected to battery voltage V shown in figure A. Now both the plates are moved by a distance d by 2 from the original position as shown in the figure. In the process of going from the configuration depicted in figure A to figure B, which of the following statements are correct? Okay. So we need to check the electric field. What's happening to it? Is it reduced by a factor of 2k? Or the capacitance is reduced by a factor of 1 by k plus 1? Then voltage between the capacitor plates is increased. This is wrong because voltage means this should be constant. It's connected to a battery, so velocity across the plates will be same. So this is wrong. The work done in the process does not depend on the presence of dielectric material. We'll see all this. First, let's calculate the new capacitance and the original capacitance. So if a dielectric is placed inside a capacitor, the capacitance is equals to epsilon naught A upon D by K. K is the dielectric constant. It's K epsilon naught A by D. Yes. Now here it is like this. It is like 3 capacitors in series, okay? So this C dash K equivalent 1 by is equals to this would be epsilon naught A K. Alright, it will be the same as this. This would be equal to epsilon naught A D by 2. When epsilon naught A D by 2. Okay, now we can write them. Okay, so we can take the epsilon naught A common, 1 by 2 become 1 is K. That implies that C dash equivalent is equals to K epsilon naught A by D into K plus 1. Okay, which is equal to C naught by K plus 1. So yes, it is reduced by a factor of K plus 1. 1 by K plus 1, decreased by a factor of K plus 1. So this one is correct. Now electric field. Okay, so we should know one thing. Electric field. That electric field is equals to sigma by epsilon. Right? And sigma is basically, this is basically Q by A epsilon naught. Now A is constant, epsilon naught is constant, so Q. Right? So if we calculate the difference in Q, we can say, and also Q is equals to CV. Now, isn't it? Q is equals to CV. V is constant, so Q is directly proportional to C. Q initial by Q final is basically C initial by C final. C initial was epsilon naught A K by D, and C final was K epsilon naught A by D into K plus 1. So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, and what we get is K plus 1. Right? What's given is 2K. So this one is again wrong. Now the work done. Okay. We'll see the work done. We know that U initial plus work done by battery is equals to U final plus work done. Right? So What is U initial? It is half CV square. Yeah, C naught V square. What is work done by battery? Q initial and final to V battery. And what is UF? UF is basically half C dash V square and plus 1. Okay, so half CV square, C naught V square. We know what C naught is, right? K epsilon naught A by D. So it is 1 by 2 into K epsilon naught A by D. What is Q initial? It is basically C initial into V. So that is K epsilon naught A by D into V. Q final would be K epsilon naught A by D into K plus 1 into V. Okay, this is equals to work plus half into K epsilon naught A by D into K plus 1 V square. Also V square, V square, V square. Okay. You can cancel this out. Alright, you know what, it's not necessary, let's just keep V square, okay? So this would be equal to half K epsilon naught A by D minus K epsilon naught A by D K plus 1, okay, V square plus the same thing you know what, we don't even have to solve this further. There is no way all the dielectric constants K will be getting cancelled out. So yes, it does depend on the presence of dielectric material. So this is wrong. So the answer is just option B. Anyways, we'll still solve what the answer to this is the one. So this will be equal to, we can take K epsilon naught A by D common here. Comes from everything. Okay, so it will be K minus 1 by K plus 1. 1 minus 1 by K plus 1. Okay. This again 1 minus 1. Right? So what we get is K epsilon naught A by D, K plus 1 minus 1, so this is basically K plus 1, okay, 3 by 2, because 1 by 2 plus 1, they both are the same, which is 3 by 2 of the whole. So what we get, the energy is basically K square epsilon naught A, 3K square, by 2D into K plus 1. So the answer to the question is option B. Thank you.